Yes, hello. Good day. This is my accomplishment report for today. I have the Today I was only focusing on the HSNM, and I tried to apply different types of solution that would at least try to fix the issue for the bot that determines the crawler as a not or preventing the crawler to proceed. So I applied three options, which is suggested or based on the research we have, like apply the headers, then applied the headers. I applied also the disabling of different kinds of flag that Selenium provide, and tried to test it based on its purpose. And well, based on the result, it's still show. And lastly, I tried to apply the random time that was suggested also. And so far, the random time, I think this was the best option or the best fix for this bypass error, because somehow it does not recognize if the time of the crawl and the time or the speed of the crawl is a little bit slower, like just like a human or like humanly as possible. It does not really stop you from crawling the data. And I think this is also the reason why our crawling speed from the old version is very slow. And I I tried to make it as at least fast as possible, but uh, I need to test more if I can improve for this one. So I think that's all. That's all for my accomplishment for today. Thank you.